In order to use Samsung DeX on your S24 Ultra, to connect wirelessly, swipe down from the top once, swipe down again, and long press the DeX. If you have a smart TV which supports DeX, tap that TV and you'll be connected. If you have a compatible TV, verify you are on the same network. But if we don't have the smart TV or we don't have a compatible display, then we need to get this. So this is an adapter which will convert HDMI into USB-C. The S24 Ultra has a USB-C cable, and that's how we connect. You can try using the charging cable of your S24 Ultra and connecting one end to the phone, and if you have a USB-C port on your TV, connecting the other end to the TV. But there are some downsides to this, which I'll discuss in a little bit. Regardless of what you do, connect one side of the cable, whether that's the USB-C or HDMI, to the TV. If we're using an adapter, connect the HDMI to the adapter, and then connect the adapter to the phone. And once this is done, switch to the HDMI source on your TV, and we should see the DeX load up. So if I'm not seeing it, I'm just going to switch my cable around like this. And any second now, the TV should turn on. I'll cut. There we go. So here is the DeX. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, there may be some on-screen prompts you need to agree to. If the screen mirrors and doesn't do DeX, swipe down twice and just tap the DeX button to turn on DeX. So now, how do we control this? If you don't have any accessories, just tap this trackpad icon at the bottom left, and we have a trackpad, and you can move the cursor. It's hard to see, but there's a cursor here. And if I double tap, I can, open. You can long press and drag to move stuff around. If you need to use the keyboard, it will automatically show when you're in a search bar. You can see right here. The reason why I said an adapter is recommended is because you can connect a keyboard and mouse to your adapter and you can use it with Samsung DeX. You would not be able to do this if you were using a USB-C to USB-C cable with your TV. Another advantage is some TVs won't let you charge your S24 Ultra while you are connected to the monitor. If that's the case, well, with an adapter, you can charge your S24 Ultra while in DeX mode at the same time, so you aren't limited by your battery. And that's the video.